Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. First of all, open your WhatsApp app, tap on these three dots on the top of the screen, tap here, tap on settings. So now your current profile picture will be displayed in the circle. If you want to change it, tap here, tap here. Now there are two options that you can put your new profile picture on WhatsApp. If you want to take a picture right now, go for camera, tap here. Your front camera will open and you can take a picture and just tap on OK. Then the current picture you just took will be your profile picture. Now if you want to pick a picture from the gallery, tap here again, tap on gallery. So these are the pictures that are saved on your gallery. You can pick any one photo from the gallery. For example, this one. Adjust and then done. So now your current profile picture is this one. So guys, this is how you change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video.